Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out new lip products. We are testing out the Refy Lip collection. They came out with the Lip Sculpt, and the Lip Sculpt is supposed to be transfer proof, smudge proof, basically everything proof. It will not come off is what they say. So today we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see how well they work. I bought the kit, so we're gonna be using everything today. Try it out on camera and see, is it really working? Like, are they lying to us? Is it smudge proof? So we're gonna try it on. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on. Add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, because we're always doing something on there. And let's get into the video. Kits are 46 Canadian, and the kits come in 3 shades: Rosewood, Fawn, and Taupe. I picked up Fawn and Taupe. Rosewood I think is more of like a pinky color, which I don't really like pink, so these are more on like the taupe nude brown shades. On here it says it's a lip collection featuring a lip sculpt and lip gloss that allows you to sculpt, set, and gloss to achieve the ultimate long-lasting lip. It's hydrating and long-wearing. So the ingredients on here is dimethicone, I think that's how you say it, or dimethicone. Fills and smooths the appearance of fine lines on lips, so it kind of fills it in almost like a primer, because I feel like primer has that ingredient. It has fluorine oil, which creates a barrier on top of the liner to increase wear time. So that oil, I think, is the setter. I think that's the lip setter. That's what creates that barrier so it does not budge. And then there's hyaluronic acid, which works to attract and retain moisture to give the lip a fuller look. It gives you fuller lips, which we love that. First one I'm gonna try on is Taupe. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I love like an all white or all nude. Like, that's my style, so love that. So here's what the packaging looks like. Super cute, super chic, so it's all gray. It says Refy on the bottom. Here is the lip liner on the top, so it's just a twist up, so you don't have to sharpen it or anything, which I love. I love a twist up, so this is what it looks like. And then this right here is the lip setter, is what it's called. Yeah, the lip setter. And it comes with like this interesting applicator. It almost looks like a spatula, like this. Very small, and it's like a plastic material, like a spatula almost. And it's clear, the formula. It almost looks like a lip primer, like a face primer, I mean. So it's very interesting. So let's twist this up. And like I said, this is the shade Taupe. So I'm gonna put some on my hand first. The shade is beautiful, totally my style. I feel like this looks very similar to the MAC Strip Down lip liner. Really, really nice. So let's do the test on my hand before I do the lip. So by itself, it does smudge the lip liner by itself. However, it says you need to put the lip setter on top so that it doesn't smudge, so I was just seeing first. So the lip liner is smudgeable by itself. Now let's go in with the lip setter. I don't know how much you need to apply, but we're gonna just grab it, because like I said, it's almost like a spatula, and then you're gonna do like an even coat right on top. So you can see it's clear. It literally looks like a primer. So do that. So you can see it's like evenly coated, and it's not causing a gloss, it's matte. So while this is drying on my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and start lining my lip with this so that we can see how it works on my hand and on my lip. So that's just with it lined on my lip. Now I'm gonna smudge it all over my lip as like a lipstick. Okay, so this is it. Really pretty color. I really, really like this. Like, this is totally my vibe. I love a nude, so I love this. You can see it's a matte finish. Pretty comfortable. Pretty comfortable, pretty pigmented. I just had to use a little bit and my entire lip is covered. Really, really like this shade. So now, the moment of truth, let's try it on my hand. It's still wet. I don't think it dries down, but let's try this together. It is not coming off. It is not smudging. This smudge is from earlier, because remember I smudged it without the setter, so that's why it was smudged, but like, look at this. It is not coming off. Guys, it is not coming off. Nothing on my hand. This is magic. This is magic. So now let's put it to the test on my lip. I'm shook right now. Like, I can't believe this right now. Wow. And this is the product that has that dimethicone. I think that's how you say it, but it has that ingredient in it, and it says it fills in the fine lines on your lip. So I'm gonna bring you in closer. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the lip setter on. You can see it's still matte. It didn't add like a gloss or anything because it's not supposed to. It's just a setter. You can definitely see it did fill in the lines on my lip. You can see a little bit of the lines, but not as much. So it definitely fills it in. It feels very comfortable. It feels like a lip balm. So very, very comfortable. It's not drying at all. It actually makes this matte lipstick very comfortable. You guys know I don't like a matte lip because I find matte lipsticks very drying on my lips. But this right here feels so comfortable. Like, so comfortable, especially because of the setter. The setter makes it so moisturized. So now let's try smudging it. As you can see, there's nothing on my finger. Nothing. It's smudging on the inside of my lip right here. You can see it is smudging a little bit, but maybe because that's the inside of my lip. But let's see the top. I am going to put this in between my lips and see if anything comes off. Nothing. Look at that. Wow. Nothing's coming off. Let's try taking it off now with this. It comes off a little bit if I'm smudging it actually like that, but I'm like scraping it. But overall, the holding power is insane. This is insane. Realistically, you're not gonna be smudging it with a tissue off because then it's gonna come off a little bit, but like wiping it off, let's do the drinking test. Nothing on my glass. You can see there's nothing on there. So it definitely is smudge proof. That's crazy. So now let's try the other one. This was taupe, so let's try fawn and let's see, because sometimes I've noticed that like certain shades have different ingredients and it might be a little different. I forgot to try the lip gloss, so we're gonna try that this time. I am so shocked right now. Like, I cannot believe that. Because you know some lip products say that they're smudge proof, but they're not. This one actually is so far. Okay, so now let's swatch fawn. Yes, fawn is definitely my favorite. It's a little bit deeper, a little bit more of like a richer brown. So you can see that's fawn right there. Now, let's see with the lip setter. Why is it so hard to open? It's like jammed. I'm gonna just set it on top. Let's try smudging it right away for half of it. Wow, right away, I didn't even let it set, and look at it, it's not smudging. Look at that. She's really rubbing that in and it is not coming off. Look at that, wow. So let's try this. That's just with a lip liner, and if you wanted to just wear a lip liner with like another lipstick or with like a lip gloss, you totally can, but I kind of want to try the whole thing. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's definitely deeper than taupe, but I really like this, really like. So now let's add the lip setter. So again, you see nothing on my finger. It's not budging. Let's try the tissue again. So you can see nothing's on the tissue. Nothing. Guys, I cannot believe this. This is crazy. Nothing is coming off. Like, it's not coming off. This is amazing. I feel like this right here is life-changing because it's comfortable. It's not coming off. Like, you could literally eat, drink. Let's take a drink. Nothing on my cup, so it passed that. Okay, now let's try with the lip gloss. I don't think the lip gloss is meant to be transfer proof. I don't know. So I'm only gonna try it on one lip. This is what it looks like. So it's a squeeze tube. Okay, and love the applicator. It's like this silver applicator. Love that. I love the applicator. It feels so good on the lip. This shine is beautiful. It literally looks like glass on your lip. It's so beautiful. Gloss isn't sticky at all. It doesn't feel thick. Very comfortable. I love the way this feels on the lip because it's this like silver metallic or silver stainless. I don't know what it is. It's so like soothing on the lip because it's pretty cool. It's like a cool, refreshing feeling. Now let's try smudging this and see what happens. Okay, that comes off. With the gloss, it comes off. So the gloss is not transfer proof or smudge proof. Let's try it with a tissue. Okay, so it comes off with the gloss. If you put the gloss on top, the gloss is not transfer proof. However, the tint is still there. Like, it's still there, you know what I mean? Just the gloss comes off. I want to try a MAC lipstick. I want to try this on my lip and put the lip setter on top and see if it makes other lipsticks smudge proof. So I'm going to just do that quick and we're going to see. We're going to see because maybe we're onto something. So I'm going to go on with this lipstick. This is in the color Yash, so it's like this like light brown. And I'm not using the lip liner for this because I want to try with just a random product. So this is just the MAC lipstick. Then I'm going to go in with the lip setter. And we're going to apply this all over. I'm going to add some on my hand just so we can test it on my hand too before the lip so we can see what it looks like. So there's the MAC lipstick. Then we're going to go in with the lip setter on top. Now let's try. Guys, it's not smudging. Look at that. It is not smudging. Okay, let's try it on the lip now. So here's the MAC lipstick with the lip setter. Let's try. Nothing on my finger. Okay, it came off. Okay, it came off on my finger from using it with MAC, so I don't know why. I don't know why it didn't come off on my... Oh no, it did come off on my hand. Okay, so the lip setter does not work with other lip products, but it works with the Refy products. So there must be some ingredient in the Lip Sculpt liner as well that keeps it on longer, and it works really well with the lip setter so they don't come off together. Overall, I definitely recommend it, guys. I definitely feel like this is worth your money. I'm obsessed. And it's funny because I was talking to my friend about this and I was like, they should actually sell the lip setter alone. But now I understand why they don't sell it alone, because it's meant to be used with the lip liners. So genius. Absolutely love it. And like I said, this gloss, I don't know what it is. It does something. Like, it really gives me a plump. It looks so juicy, it looks so wet, so I'll be using this with other lip products as well. So I am obsessed. I definitely recommend you guys pick it up. You guys saw it here. It works. It's worth your money. And we all want a lip liner that doesn't smudge. So definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.